Here we are, the River Sportsman outdoor store, Campbell River. It's just on the edge of the one-way system heading north to Saywood, or on the edge of the highway heading off to Gold River in Campbellton. And the staff are super friendly and very helpful. Had a great time in there. I don't know if I'm going to get copyrighted because they had some music, so we'll see how it goes. And thoroughly recommend it. Top quality gear, top quality staff. Well, I'm in the Sportsman, and this is looks like a grizzly bear they got in a cage.
Hey Tyler, it's Dan calling, River Sportsman.
Oh, look at that puppy. She's huge. It comes up to about my chest. There's some other ones there. Yeah. Here we are in the Sportsman, and this is the Campbell River, just going past. Hope the picture comes out nice. And I was just told we've got the smallest owl, a little pygmy owl. Let's just go up there and show you this little owl. I'll have to zoom in on it. That is tiny, about the size of a sparrow almost. And we go from the pygmy owl to the polar bear. Look at this monster. And that will eat you. They live up in the north of Canada. There's a town called Churchill, and these things are quite common there. They even have polar bear buses that go out, and you can drive around amongst the polar bears there. I think there's a mountain lion just above me. Look at that. The cougar. We've got a line of there's a wolf. I guess they're elk or reindeer, moose. All the deer that we get in Canada. I think there's a mountain sheep up there, or a mountain goat. There's a whole line of rifles over there, so if you're into hunting, I won't go over there, it's a customer. Here we have waders for fishing in the rivers. I've got music in the background, so I might get copyrighted, so if I keep talking, hopefully that'll interfere with the copyright and I won't get done. I'm going to have to mute it. Wow. Yeah, see all top quality gear here. North Face, hiking, fishing. Good selection of hiking boots. Right, everything you could possibly want to get it out. Backcountry gaiters, snowshoes, good selection of wall socks by the looks of it. Under Armour, gloves, look at it all. If we get anything, it's all here. Yeah, look at it all. I'm just taking a walk upstairs, got some customers down there doing their shopping, so I don't want to interrupt them. But if you're coming to Canada and you want to go camping, there's tons of camping gear out, and this is all good quality. The North Face, MSR, Mountain Safety Research, MSR, I like MSR. Well, there's a brown, black bear, I think that one. He's about as tall as me. And we have loads of those around. They come into town quite often. It's not unusual to see them in your backyard. Coleman, that's more of a cheaper tent by the looks of it. And you got your marine life jackets if you want to go out kayaking. There's another mountain lion there. One's got a deer. Look at all the lovely outdoor gear they got down there. I've got permission to film in here, but I'm not going to be getting in anyone's face. All the fishing rods, so if you're into fishing, look there you got your downriggers, your fish finders. We've got some stuffed fish down there as well. All your lures. We've got a selection of backpacks over there. A nice selection of sleeping bags. And again, North Face, all top quality. The North Face, the North Face. You got your cooking gear over here, barbecues. These ones are good for boats. The CBQ, that's good for your boat. So you got if you sailed up the coast from America or down from Alaska and you want to get some stuff for your boat, you've got Boatland just up the road. Cooking gear. And the staff here are super friendly, super helpful and super friendly. Got your fuel bottles, your dehydrated foods there for backpacking. Got a beautiful island full of trails here, so if you want to go off into the forest and up in the mountains, this is the place to head off from. If you forgot any of your kit, well, you got our Thermarest. I travelled with a Thermarest for years. I've literally wore it out and took it back to the store and got a new one. They come with a lifetime guarantee, or they did. I don't know if they still do.